you that my all communication, all conversation, they are being recorded, and
Uh-huh.
generally we put them on Crime Free Bharat Mission YouTube channel. And the
Okay.
purpose of this exercise is to treat the communication as a urja, and
Okay.
that urja should ultimately result in transformation of our country.
Yes. That is a good, really, really wonderful thought. I really appreciate that.
Okay. Would you please help me to really introduce yourself little better way so that I can know you little better?
Uh, can we have some free time? Right now, I'm in a meeting actually.
Okay.
Huh. So, uh, can we discuss this tomorrow or day after tomorrow?
Absolutely no issue. I leave
Huh.
the ball in your court. Whenever you are free, please feel free
I
to
will
talk
call
to
you.
me.
I will save your number, sir,
Okay.
and I will call you back
Okay.
tomorrow. I am a chartered engineer and
Ah,
I am consultant for plant and machinery,
okay.
and I have done my PhD in Vedic sciences. But
Oh,
right
great.
now,
Great.
yeah, yeah. So, but
When,
still, I am actively.
when I say Vedic science,
Uh,
do we really touch upon the various shastras which has been written by our Maheshwari,
exactly, exactly. Yes, yes,
by
yes,
our
yes,
Maharishi, something
yes,
like
yes.
Maharishi Bharadwaj, who has written Viman Shastra,
Correct,
describing
correct.
through basically 300 odd slokas,
Yeah,
and describing 32 type of the
yeah, yeah.
crafts.
Actually, our Vedic system has got six shastras,
Mm-hmm.
and while doing my MSc in Vedic sciences, I have
Mm-hmm.
learned a little about all these shastras. So,
Do you have the copy of the same?
uh,
No, do we have the those six or eight shastra you are saying? Do you
uh-huh.
have the copy of it?
Yeah, yeah, I have got those things, but right now I will not be able to talk in length with you because just now I am in a meeting actually.
Absolutely no issue. We will talk after day or
Yeah,
two.
huh,
Whenever you are convenient, I am saving your
definitely.
number,
Yes.
and I will wait for your call. Otherwise,
Yeah, yeah,
after 2 days, I will be bothering you again.
yeah, yeah. Huh. Tomorrow I am having an industrial visit. I am
Uh,
still working as a consultant, and fortunately or
what's your
unfortunately,
age, by the way?
I am 78.
Great, great, great.
So I am still actively busy in my consultancy job. So
Mm-hmm.
tomorrow I have got a Latur visit, industrial visit.
Mm-hmm.
So I will just find some little time and then we'll talk in length. Where from you come?
Basically, I am 1984 batch IPS officer,
Great,
and I had been in DGP rank for almost 7 odd years. I was
great,
DGP Railway, I was DGP Home Guard, Civil Defense, Disaster Management, and I was DGP Police Reform
fantastic,
as well.
fantastic,
I got the opportunity to serve in Kashmir as a IG operations in Kashmir.
fantastic, fantastic.
I got the little opportunity to serve with the ITBP and as a border guarding force.
Yeah,
So
your contribution is absolutely valuable for the nation.
whatever we contributed, that is too little, but whatever we can contribute, that will be too large.
Yeah,
So the
we
bigger contribution, bigger portion has to come now, basically.
true, very
And
true.
you are a source of inspiration that you are still active at the age of the 78. That gives an impression that age is no war. It is the our attitude toward the life that is more important.
Quite true, quite
Uh,
true, quite
So,
true,
Mr.
quite true.
Kulkarni, I will get in touch with you after 2 days,
Surely, I will
or
save your number. May I know your once
or
again? Can you
my
please let
full
me?
name is Maithili Sharan Gupta. It is exactly
Uh,
the same name of the Hindi Rashtrakavi Maithili
my
Sharan Gupta.
God, Sharan Gupta is one of the greatest, wonderful poet, and he has done his creations are absolutely fantastic.
And
And
I
I
treat the,
have,
uh-huh.
I have studied Sharan Gupta. My God, fantastic.
And
Sharan
the
Gupta.
best of his poem I consider Nar ho na naraz karo man ko.
Correct. Correct.
That is just wonderful.
Yeah.
That really enlighten you, that lead you, that you can do wonders, you can transform this nation. नर
Perfect.
हो न निराश करो मन को, कुछ काम करो कुछ नाम करो, जग में रहकर कुछ काम करो, यह जीवन अहो यह व्यर्थ ना हो, कुछ
Great.
सदुपाय करो, something like that. So
Great.
I really draw a lot of inspiration from Rashtravi Maithili Sharan Gupta, who happened to be my Namarasi as well.
Wonderful. It is. It
So
is really the great fortune of you.
yeah.
Really.
So
Yeah.
I will be saving your number, and you please save my number.
Yes. Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
even this small piece of communication, it will also be uploaded in Crime Free Bharat. So let the world should know that two personalities are talking to transform our nation.
Wonderful. Really
Right.
great.
Okay.
I appreciate it. I really appreciate it.
Okay. Thank you. Jai
Thank you,
Hind,
sir.
Jai Bharat, Vande
Jai
Mataram.
Hind, Jai Bharat. Yes. Vande Mataram, Jai Bharat.